got the words to change a nation, but you're biting your tongue. You spent a lifetime stuck in silence, afraid you'll say something wrong. If no one ever hears it, how we gonna learn your song? So come on, come on, come on, come on, you gotta. Come on, you gotta. So why let your voice be tamed? Baby, we're a little different. There's no need to be ashamed. You got the light to fight the shadows, so stop hiding it away. Come on, come on. I wanna sing, I wanna shout, I wanna scream till the words cry out. So put it all on the page. I'm not afraid. We can read all about it. About it, no. Let's get the TV and the radio to play our tune again. It's about time we got some airplay.